Hey everybody, welcome to my first renovation video. I will be taking you through the process that I went through converting my bathroom from the condition when I bought it to its current condition. So I hope you like it and please enjoy. Hey everybody, this is going to be the walkthrough of the before for my small bathroom renovation. So as you can see, it's pretty bland right now, and there's a lot of little marks that I'm going to be filling in, sanding, making it look a lot better. The whole room is going to get painted. I'm going to change this light fixture. I'm changing this vanity also. I got a bigger one. I wanted to put a shelf underneath it, but I keep on looking at it and think that it might be too small of a space, so I might not do that. And I keep on going back and forth on whether I want to paint my shower. It's not totally bad, but I feel like if I'm going to be doing my bathroom, might as well do it right the first time. I also want to change these knobs, but I can't find many good options yet, so I'll keep you posted on that. And yeah, we'll see how it ends up. So it's only about 30 minutes into my reno, and I have found a hidden set of wires that go to this switch. Because I had the switch here, I didn't know what it went to because the light is connected to the fan. So now, which is what I wanted, I can add a light fixture, and it does seem like the wires are coming from the ceiling, which is kind of interesting to me because I thought that they would be coming from the side here. But since they are coming from the ceiling, I'm hoping that I can create a hole up here, add a junction box, and put a light fixture. So wish me luck. So this hole is there. I created that hole. The wires are going up into there. So I'm going to pull that out and go right there. Now I have to cut these tabs out. things. One, that light fixture that I did end up changing in the end, and two, I'm changing over my light switches. My light switches that were there were disgusting, as they were in a lot of the rooms in my house, so I am changing them over to these fresh paddle switches. in the before video, but there were these really ugly baseboards in this bathroom beforehand, and I decided pretty last minute to go ahead and try and add some actual baseboards, and it was surprisingly easy. Did was cut them down using a miter saw, which you will see in a couple seconds, dry fit them, and then once they were fit, I nailed them to studs. So again, I didn't use any power tools. I didn't want to invest in them for one project, but after nailing these baseboards in the old school way, I quickly learned why people have nail guns. Still, it is pretty easy to do it this way if you are patient, but patience is key. I did end up nailing my finger, so just be very careful. After I finished nailing the baseboards in, I went over the edges with this flex shot caulk. Here I am installing the final vanity light fixture that I ended up using. And then towards the end of the section, I did start showing you how I installed the overhead light, but to be honest, I had a lot of issues with the light I chose. I got it off of eBay. It was a pretty cheap but really nice light. There were a lot of issues, like it's actually screwed in, so I had to drill 2 holes into it to actually get the cage over it, but it ended up working out. It was just really frustrating, so I did not end up recording it, but you'll see it at the end.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Purchased this hardware off of Facebook Marketplace. I wanted to change the color to the theme of my bathroom, which was copper, so I spray painted all of the hardware. And now I'm gonna walk you through the final space. So I was able to stay on a pretty strict budget for the majority of this bathroom. Like for instance, this medicine cabinet, I got on Facebook Marketplace for $25. I got this vanity light for I think $30, maybe $40 off of Amazon. This feature wall is actually inspired by a wallpaper that was available at Lowe's. The original wallpaper was actually white and black, and I didn't think that it would fit with the decor in my bathroom, so I wanted to incorporate the color that I was already going to use and just mimic the design. The paint I used is from Target, and it's like $3. I got these shelves off of eBay. They were $50 for the pair. I also got my shower head off of eBay and this light fixture that gave me such hell. Also, the light fixture that was there before kind of messed up the ceiling, so I added this, I forget what they're called right now, Medallion, the ceiling medallion. I think it came out really nice. I really like how the shadows kind of play around it. Also, all the hardware came from Facebook Marketplace, and for all of them it was $25, and they actually came with 2 sets. So kind of like gave me the freedom to spray paint them, because if I didn't like it, I had another pair. And that is my bathroom. Hope you all enjoyed.